in fact, been booming in the parliament, in the monsoon session of the parliament. It is the Pegasus story. At the center of the entire controversy, the Pegasus spy scandal has opposition parties fuming. Cornering the center, opposition demanded a joint parliamentary committee probe into the incident and resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah. BJP termed it a smear campaign. Take a look at what all happened today.
Protests.
मेरा आप सभी से निवेदन है कि अपने अपने स्थान ग्रहण करिए और बहस में भाग लीजिए.
Hangama. The opposition and Narendra Modi government on a collision course.
प्लीज अपनी सीट पर जाए.
At the center of it all is, you've guessed it, the Pegasus hacking scandal. These were the scenes in both houses of parliament on Tuesday as soon as it convened for the second day of the monsoon session.
Your seats.
Right from the word go, the opposition targeted the government, demanding a joint parliamentary commission probe into the alleged spying scandal.
There are issues of concern. We should not read only in the newspapers or see the television, sir.
I agree with you. Anandji, I got the point.
My submission I have made, sir.
I agree with you totally. There is a need for 267.
The Congress led the charge, seeking Home Minister Amit Shah's resignation.
ये इल्जाम सीधे तौर पर हमारे गृह मंत्रालय पर लगता है, तो गृह मंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और दूसरा इसको जुडिशियल प्रोब होना चाहिए.
The Congress's ally in Maharashtra too joined the bandwagon, seeking a joint parliamentary committee probe.
प्रधानमंत्री गृह मंत्री की एक जिम्मेदारी है कि देश के सामने आकर सच बताए.
The Trinamool Congress insisted it won't let Parliament run until a debate on the snooping scandal takes place.
We would urge this government to come out and lay on the floor of the House, yes or no. Is India a client of NSO? Yes or no? And we can guarantee that the minister or the Home Minister will not be able to say no, because India is a client of the NSO.
The centre has vehemently rejected the charges.
There is no government ka even an iota of link is there in that. But in spite of that, if they want to raise through a proper procedure, to a proper rule, let them raise. Government has already made a suo motu statement.
Number 7.
The BJP has termed it a smear campaign by the opposition.
समाज में एक विषाक्त वातावरण पैदा करने का जो कुत्सित प्रयास हो रहा है, राजनीति के घटते हुए गिरते हुए स्तर को प्रदर्शित करता है. विपक्ष पूरी तरह नकारात्मक भूमिका में के साथ में है.
As politics rages on, the French daily Le Monde has made new revelations, claiming diplomats of Pakistan, China were potentially hacking targets in India. And not just them. The newspaper alleges diplomats of friendly nations like Iran, Afghanistan, Nepal and Saudi Arabia too were on the snooping list.